this is Sharon.
And Cecily.
My favorite sidekick here, Cecily at Cold Creek Nurseries. And we were just talking about what is missing in some people's landscape.
Movement. And texture.
Movement and texture, which we do have some. And guess what? By the time this is all blooming, it'll be nice and cool. It'll be October and you'll feel great. It'll be a nice breeze. So we just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the different grasses and what they can add to your garden. I've got two different panicums or switchgrass. And this one is called Dallas Blue. And you can see it has a little bit bigger leaves. It's got little seed pods and it's kind of got a blue tint to it, which makes it really pretty. And then this one is called Shenandoah. And this one has the little seed pods on top, but the leaves actually, it would start getting into September. The leaves start turning red. Not that I have a preference for red or anything, but this makes a beautiful addition. It's a nice soft texture. And then when you cut up here, I've got three different miscanthus. Common name is Maiden Grass. Here I've got a zebra, which is distinctive by its little yellow bands going down it.
Nice exotic touch to your garden.
Nice thick strappy leaves on this one. And this one will get about 5, 6, maybe even 7 feet with its plumes. And then we have here just gracillus, or just the common maiden grass. This one's going to get about 5 foot. And same thing, this has a lot thinner leaves. And then this one is called Morning Light, and you can tell why, because it's variegated on the outside of the leaves. Makes it a little bit lighter in your garden and kind of shows up, gives you a little bit more of a pop in your garden. So this is all maiden grass. Cecily, what you got?
Well, so far we kind of talked about some taller structures that you can add, but we want to not leave out these little folks. These are little bunnies. And they only get about 1 foot to 2 feet. So if you have something that needs to be a little tighter, a great border, they're great planted in mass. These little cuties would be super great. And then I have to show you these. Now these guys, something about the fair.
These show up right at fair time in Aiken County.
So right now they've got the green going on. These are both mully grasses. They get maybe 3 feet high. But what happens in October? They send up these inflorescence that sort of when the sun hits them, it effervescences. I don't know. It's beautiful. This one's pink, pinkish purple, and this one is white, like clouds. Plant these things in mass and the sun hits it and it just like, woo! I don't know. But anyways, so full sun loving grasses, great fall, great different texture to your garden.
And it's going to get the groove in your landscape.
Yeah.
So come on down to Cold Creek.
All right.